Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do a get ready with me because I feel like it's been forever since I did one. So we're just gonna get started. I ended up going to Walgreens and Ulta and I just picked up like literally two things and I'm gonna try them in this video. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Anastasia Brow Freeze and then I used the NYX Lift and Snatch little eyebrow pen to do that. So those are my eyebrows. And then I wanted to show you guys the cutest little like sponge that I found at Walgreens. This is from Wet n Wild. I had no idea they came out with a SpongeBob collection, so I was so like geeked out when I saw it at Walgreens. They also had like a SpongeBob brush, and then this is Patrick. He's a little like beauty sponge, a Patrick sponge, and then they also had a Squidward sponge. So like look at the detail. Can you see like the flowers on Patrick's like shorts and then his face? So freaking cute. So I got this one because I just like the shape better. The Squidward one was shaped kind of like a peanut, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go ahead and wet this and we're gonna use this to apply our makeup. Also picked up a new pair of lashes. These are from Ulta. These are the Ardell Remy lashes. It's 100% premium Remy hair with Invisiband. So we're gonna go ahead and try those out today. And then I also picked up this Makeup Revolution Eye Bright in a darker shade to use as contour because I've seen this be used as like the dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, which I really want, but it's always sold out. So we're gonna settle for this for now. Hopefully it's good. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with eyes. I am going to be using the Madison Beer Morphe palette. I'm gonna start with this shade, which is called Zeppelin, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm taking a mixture of Emotional Bruises and Fight Club. They are the more mauve-y matte shades, and I'm going to mix them and put them right in the crease and just kind of blend that in lightly. Now I'm taking C137 and putting that on the eyelid. And now I'm taking some black liner and just making a wing. Let's do mascara, Maybelline Sky High. Let's go ahead and pop on these lashes to see what they look like, and I'll be using the Duo Rosewater and Biotin Strip Lash Glue. These are on and they are so pretty. I am obsessed. I love how they're wispy and just really cute overall. So yeah, let's move on to the face now. I'm going to be using the Derma Blend Insta Grip Jelly Primer. And this primer is very sticky, so it will definitely grip your foundation. I'm just gonna use this NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and I'm going to just simply dot it on. And now that that's all well blended, let's go ahead and contour with the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright, and I got the shade Deep Caramel in case anyone was wondering. I'm just gonna shake it so that it's all well, you know, blended. So just gonna, I usually do like that. I just dot it kind of all over. So compared to the contour sticks that I've used, that was a little hard to blend and it dried a lot faster than I was expecting it to. So I'm just gonna do just a little bit more. I think that side's fine. Right here. So I recommend using a brush. I mean, not a brush, a sponge for this instead of a brush. I normally like to blend out with a brush, but this was just way too, like it just dried too fast. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NC30. And then I'm just going to apply it right here, right there, down the bridge of my nose, all right here, chin. We're blending with Mr. Patrick. Now I'm using Milani Cream Blush in the shade Nude Kiss. Setting with a little bit of powder using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. We are bronzing now with the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in Medium Deep. And we are blushing with this new Almay Hue Blush in the shade Nearly Nude. This is so pretty, you guys. I really like this. I got it at CVS the other day. I'm gonna take a little bit of like a lighter bronzer and contour my nose. All I do is like draw literal lines down my nose. I feel like nose contouring is just kind of one of those things that nobody really knows what they're doing. They just kind of go for it and hope for the best. Alrighty, going back to the Madison Beer, I'm just going to add the same shades I used in the outer corner of my eye and put them on the lower lash line. Bottom lash mascara. Lips, I'm lining with KKW Nude 1.5. And then on my lips, I'm taking the Huda Beauty lipstick in Anniversary. I'm gonna top it off with some lip gloss. I'm gonna use the Super Lustrous Gloss by Revlon in the shade Feelin' It. I think this is part of like a collection because it's got a glittery top. Setting the face today with the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Mist Spray. I forgot to highlight, so we're gonna highlight using the Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Bomb. I think she still makes these, or she like repackaged them. I don't really know. I'll try to find it and link it down below. I love this highlighter. I use it every single day, and like literally just a little bit on the cheeks, like not a lot, because I don't like to overdo it with the highlighter anymore. So yeah, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put on my outfit, and then I'm gonna show you guys, and then we'll peace out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my outfit. My little cropped tank is from Cotton On. My jeans are just these mom jeans from Zara with the distressing, and then my boots are from Steve Madden. My shirt is from Cotton On, and then this little purse is from Express. I have on some jewelry from Amazon and then from Pandora. And then I have more Amazon jewelry. This is from Kohl's, and I think these are from Amazon as well. I'm not 100% sure. I have this really fun blue nail polish from D&D. And yeah, that's my outfit. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.